Hello, this is Rachel Bookman from Heritage Christian Academy, and I am going to show you a few new features that we have recently enabled on RenWeb, or what is now called ParentsPortal. To get started, we're going to go ahead and log into our accounts. And so I'm going to use Firefox on my desktop because I find that the least glitchy. And I'm going to go to the faxmanagement.com website to log in. You can still use RenWeb for the time being, but because they've been bought out by the company Fax, just be aware that that may eventually be phased out. But that does work for now at least. We're going to go ahead and click Parent Login and go to the Fax Family Portal, or what you know as ParentsWeb. And it's going to take you to the same login page that you're used to by going to renweb.com. So either way works. And we're going to go ahead and type in our district code, which is HCS-WA, your username and your password. And if you're a parent, click parent and make sure that's highlighted. Or if you're a student, select student, because you too can track your grades and progress. And then go ahead and click login. And we'll go to the oh so familiar homepage. And once you get to the home page, the best way to show you a few of our newest features is to go ahead and just click on the Student tab, and it's going to take you to the Student home page. And right here you can see a couple of our new features, and the first of which is the Homework tab. And you can scroll down and see what homework is being assigned in each of their classes by date or by subject, and it will group them all together. So at the end of each day, we are going to upload our homework. And so today and yesterday are conferences, and so we don't have school tomorrow. But if we did, that's why you don't see Wednesday, is because we have not put anything in for Wednesday at this time. So once we've populated the field on our end as a teacher, it will then appear on your end. And so we'll be doing that for all of our classes that are core classes, so math, science, English, history, Bible, and that's a great way to check your child's planner to make sure it is accurate and that what they're writing down actually is the homework. And we can also put a little bit more details in here, and that way if there's any confusion and they can't remember what it is that they wrote down because they abbreviated too many things because they're writing in a small space, they can also just log in and see for themselves what the homework was. The other feature that we've enabled, or I should say another feature because there's several, is attendance. You can now track your students' attendance both for the day and by period. The way it works is each day we're going to obviously take attendance in our homerooms, but we're also going to start taking attendance on RenWeb for each period, and that way we can better track whether a student is being late to class from one period to the next. So don't be overwhelmed if you see, for example, 4 or 5 attendances taken in a given day. It's just because we're taking attendance for each of the periods. Typically, you won't see anything other than homeroom attendance unless they are being tardy, however. So anyway, so that's another feature. Finally, the feature that I am excited to show you is the Resources tab. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the subjects. And for my sample student, I've only enrolled them in my 6th grade history class. So I'm going to take you to my 6th grade history class page. And we have now enabled the Resources tab. You've seen the Syllabus tab probably before, but it's always kind of empty. And the reason why is when we try to put our syllabus on RenWeb in the past, we have to copy paste, and it ruins all of our beautiful formatting and all the pictures and everything go away. So now what we've done is we've enabled the Resources tab, which has enabled 2 things, the documents and our websites. So we can now upload our syllabi and make those easily accessible, or other documents for students that they might need, whether it's project information or rubrics or anything along those lines that might be a document they need. The other thing is our website. So if a student is needing continuous access to a website for class, or if we as a teacher have a class website, we can put in those URLs and the students no longer have to remember what they are to get there. And so you can just log into RenWeb and go to the student page and then go to the resources and then go to the websites, and they're all here. And so, for example, here is my history website and all the glory that it contains. So anyway, these are the 3 new things that we've recently enabled. If you have any questions about this, please let us know. And if there's anything we can do to support you, just say the word and we'll be happy to help. We do have a expert among us of RenWeb/Facts, and that is Mrs. Stephanie Burke in the downstairs office. She's actually received training in this program and is a wonderful resource. She probably knows more than all the teachers combined because of how knowledgeable she is in this. So again, she's a great resource for you as well. But in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving break. Happy holidays, and I will see you soon. Actually, I'll see you next week/next month. Bye.